Hello? Hey, what's going on, man? No, I was, just working out. Nah, bring it by. We'll take a look at it. Alright, see you soon. So the call I got earlier was from my neighbor. He's got a Toro recycler personal pace with the Briggs & Stratton engine. And he told me that the idle kept going up and down, and it seemed like it was using more fuel than usual. So the first thing I thought of was, let's check the air filter. So what you want to do is either take a flathead screwdriver, or in my case, I'm going to use an 8mm head on my DeWalt drill, and we're going to loosen the bolt. As you can see, we're going to loosen the bolt, and oh yeah, look at that air filter. I bet you that's an original. And the new air filter part number is 491588S. As you can see, there's quite the difference in color. And this engine was just not breathing properly, and that is why there was such a rough idle. So what we're going to do is I went ahead and cleaned the inside of the air box and inside here so no debris would get into the carburetor. We're going to install this air filter and tighten the bowl back up and start it up. Now we're going to go ahead and start it up. Take a video in the beginning to let you all hear what the engine sounded like before, but it sounds much better, the idle's much smoother. So if you have this symptom, the first thing I would suggest is checking the air filter. It's a cheap, inexpensive fix. It was $7, and you'll get more longevity out of your mower. If you're into small engine repair or stuff that you can fix around the house, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. See you next time from the Neighborhood Go-To Guy.